Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, it means you want to improve your English speaking skills, and I'm here to help you do just that. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 7 tips to help you speak English like a native. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Tip number 1, speak every day. Now I know this might sound a bit scary, especially if you're not confident yet, but trust me, this is the most important step. Think of it like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start small by talking to yourself in English about your day, what you're doing, or what you see around you. Even 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. And if you can, find a language partner or join an online English-speaking group. Practice speaking with them regularly. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone does. Remember, mistakes are proof that you're trying, and every time you speak, you're getting better. Tip number 2, listen and repeat. This is a fantastic way to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Find English content that you enjoy, podcasts, songs, or TV shows, and listen carefully. Then try to mimic what you hear. Repeat phrases and sentences out loud. This will help you get used to the natural flow of the language. For example, you might listen to a short dialogue from your favorite movie. Pause after each sentence, repeat it, and try to match the speaker's intonation and speed. It might feel silly at first, but it's incredibly effective. Over time, you'll notice that your pronunciation and fluency improve without you even realizing it. Tip number 3, think in English. One of the biggest challenges in learning a new language is breaking the habit of translating everything from your native language. When you translate, it slows down your speech and can make it harder to find the right words. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple things. For instance, if you're making a grocery list, think about it in English. If you're planning your day, do it in English. The more you practice thinking in English, the more natural it will become. It's like turning a switch in your brain from your native language to English, and it's a great way to speed up your learning process. Tip number 4, learn phrases, not just words. Many people focus on learning individual vocabulary words, but it's actually more helpful to learn phrases. Why? Because in English, words often change meaning depending on the context. When you learn phrases, you're not just learning a word, you're learning how it fits to a sentence and how it's used in real-life conversations. For example, instead of just learning the word take, learn phrases like take a break, take care, or take it easy. This way, you'll be more prepared to understand and use these phrases naturally in conversations. Plus, it's a fun way to learn new words. Tip number 5, use a mirror. This might sound a bit funny, but it works. Speaking in front of a mirror allows you to see how your mouth moves and to observe your facial expressions. It also helps you practice speaking in English with confidence, as if you're speaking to someone else. Try this. Every day, pick a topic and talk about it for 2 minutes in front of the mirror. Pay attention to how you form words and how your facial expressions change. This will not only improve your pronunciation, but also your nonverbal communication skills, which are super important in any language. Tip number 6, record yourself. I know it can be a bit uncomfortable to hear your own voice, but it's an amazing tool for improvement. Recording yourself speaking in English allows you to play back the audio and notice things you might not realize while speaking. Choose a topic or read a paragraph from a book and record yourself speaking. Then, listen to the recording and make a note of areas where you can improve, like pronunciation, grammar, or fluency. Do this regularly, and over time, you'll be able to track your progress and see how much you've improved. It's also a great confidence booster. Tip number 7, have fun with it. Learning a new language doesn't have to be all serious and hard work. The more fun you have with it, the more likely you are to stick with it. Find ways to enjoy learning English, like playing word games, singing your favorite English songs, or even trying out some tongue twisters. So there you have it, my top 7 tips to improve your spoken English. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every little bit helps. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and most importantly, keep having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.